Everyone, to your reading today. What I do see in your cup today is that you are going to be experiencing a lot of changes in the next coming weeks. You're going to find there's a lot of individuals who want your attention, and you are going to find that there's a lot of expectations that you're going to be meeting. You might also find that there are a few complications when it comes to workplace, especially when it comes to finding and dealing with those who have more power than you at work. And you might find there's a few restrictions that are in place for you, but you are able to easily break through those barriers and become your true self. For some of you, you might also be finding your authentic path as well. And we do see with majority of the tea leaves on the surface of the cup that you are going to be experiencing a lot of changes that are going to benefit you, that are going to put you in the spotlight, that are going to make you more superior to those around you. You're going to find that your authentic self is also going to shine a lot stronger this coming week.